चैनल सब्सक्राइब करें, नोटिफिकेशन बेल क्लिक करें, लाइक कमेंट शेयर करें। Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Hopscotch Kids and I am Pankhuri. I hope you are liking and enjoying my videos. I am back again with one more interesting video. My SST teacher gave us a project to reuse waste material and create beautiful things. And my craft teacher asked us to create anything using a toilet paper roll. I am going to complete both projects in this video. I am making best out of waste craft from toilet paper roll. So let's start the video. Take empty cardboard roll. Here I have two rolls with me. Let's start with the first roll. Now cover the roll with a light brown pastel sheet like this. I have covered both my rolls. Take black and yellow rectangular sheets and cut thin slits on it. Here I have already cut the slits. Now bend the slits like I am doing in the video. Cut black paper in shape of front hair like this and paste it at the top of the roll. Now take black paper with slits and paste it on the sides of the roll like this. Repeat on the other side. Cut a thin stripe and also cut two brown circles and paste them like I am doing in the video. Now paste the strip in the center of the roll like this and paste the yellow sheet underneath it. They will become the top and the skirt of our doll. Cut a flower and paste it as an hair accessory. It's time to draw the features of the doll. My hula doll is almost complete. Let's decorate it. Put a dot in the middle of the flower with glitter glue. Cut some flowers and paste them randomly on the skirt. Wow, my doll is ready. Isn't it cute? Now let's make our mermaid doll. Cut pink sheet in shape of front hair and paste it. Then paste the side hair like we have done for the first doll. Now cut a green rectangular piece for the lower body and draw fish scales on it. Now paste it in the lower half portion of the doll. Again, cut a thin stripe and then paste two purple sheets in shape of seashells on it. It is going to be the top of our little mermaid. Cut a green sheet in shape of mermaid tail and draw scales on it. Now paste a glittery star as hair accessory and then also paste the tail at the back of the roll like this. It's time to draw the features. Now decorate the fish scales with the help of glitter glue. My mermaid doll is ready. Now cut a cardboard in rectangular shape and cover it with desired color. Now paste dolls on it and a doll pen stand is ready. My craft is ready. I hope you like it. Do share your views in the comment section below. होप यू लाइक द वीडियो। कमेंट करो, लाइक करो और शेयर करो। योर लव ऑलवेज मोटिवेट्स मी टू ब्रिंग न्यू एंड इनोवेटिव वीडियोस। तो ये था आज का DIY ज्ञान। ना हटाना इन वीडियो से अपना ध्यान। मिलेंगे अगले वीडियो में। थैंक यू, बाय।